Get back!
A few inches later. Day 4.
Yes! You can do this, come on! Harder, work harder! No! No! Oh. Thanks. Hi guys, thank you for joining us on another video. I'm out again with Junior, and today we're going to start building up our camp a bit more and maybe add another wall section.
Yeah, definitely add another wall, get some deadfall collected,
yeah.
get it all stripped down, get walls.
We just basically need to swing it around now, like the camp's pretty much done, like we've got where we want to set up and stuff. We just need to swing it around these trees here a little bit and build it up that way, because if dogs come in, if it would.
Yeah, it's not good when they're jumping all over your tent.
No. We've also, as well, as you can see, had more snowfall, which is really nice because Junior's not seen
snow in our camp base, so I was a bit jealous of Ben last time. So I'm back and I'm out, and yeah, it feels really good.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. And it's been kind of like a spare of the moment thing. We haven't planned this for weeks in advance or anything. The intro, which I hope you all had a good laugh at or enjoyed at least.
Ben enjoyed his pot noodle.
Yeah. We kind of thought that up last minute as well. It was kind of a quick little storyboard thought by me and Junior. And yeah, we laughed at it, so hopefully you guys got the same from it as well. But yeah, thank you for joining us on this video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll maybe catch up with you for everyone during this video. Alright, so I'm just making a stake now. This will get whacked into the ground obviously, and this is going to be what holds up the main part of our perimeter fence, if you will. So simple really, just grab yourself a log, measure it out to the distance you want, and then just cutting down, chipping away at the ends until you get a stake, and then this will get driven into the ground and hold the wall in place.
When we're whacking the stake in, the wood doesn't split at the end.
I'll take close up to that.
If you've ever whacked a stake into the ground, you'll notice that this edge will break away
and start to fray.
Yeah, if you shave it round the edge like that, like so, then you can whack away and that ain't gonna spray out.
You can whack away?
Only you.
So Junior's gonna whack away. I'm gonna turn away while he does this. Each to their own. And now if you look at the top of the wood, there's no fraying at all, like the wood's not starting to split. Let me just focus. There you go. You can see that because of Junior trimming the edge down like he did, all this wood's now just stayed completely intact. It's not starting to fray, weaken in any way, and he's been able to drive that quite far into the ground just because he trimmed the edge off.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
We've had a bit of a drawn out winter really. It was only what, 2-3 weeks ago that I was out filming again, and in snow very much like this, because obviously the UK was getting hammered by Storm Emma, which became known as the Beast in the East, or Beast from the East. So yeah, it's a bit of a drawn out winter this, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it. But we'll be ready for summer by the time that comes around as well. It's always nice to have a bit of sun and see the temperatures start to climb again. All the trees will start to get the leaves back, and we'll have to take a different approach to bushcraft as the seasons change, which is nice. You guys will get to see something a bit different as well. But winter, I have said it before, is my favourite season by far. Cheers, guys. Me and Junior was just doing some filming, and we've noticed that there's some blood. There's a trail of blood going off through the woods, so we've been trying to follow these. Where? Yeah. So it's there, look, as well. But we can't see any footprints or drag marks or anything, so just trying to figure out what it is. Reckon it's a deer at this point. Like Junior was just saying, maybe a deer's caught itself, and maybe a deer's just caught itself as it's walking through. But it would have to be quite a bad nick for it to bleed like this. And I suppose deers like know the way around these woods. Do you know what I mean?
I think so.
And it's not like it's overgrown dramatically. More blood.
Let's see if we can find the trail.
There's like a big splotch here, so I'm assuming that whatever was carrying, yeah, or if it was a deer, maybe it stopped here for a while for some reason. Just a quick update on the blood situation. Me and Junior have come to the conclusion that maybe somebody's shot that with a pellet gun, or it just has generally injured its foot. But yeah, it's probably a deer. Like I said, somebody's maybe coming here thinking they can take down deer with a 2.2 air rifle, and took a pop shot at it, which is absolutely ridiculous, but maybe that's what it is. With the amount of blood there was and just a little splatters here and there, it looks to me like somebody shot that with an air rifle. Bought this little awesome tripod today. I think it was like, what was it, Junior, about 40 something quid?
40 quid.
Yeah, my brother's got exactly the same one, Manfrotto tripod. Really, really small, packable tripod, lightweight. Wait, baby! And sturdy as well for its size and weight, real sturdy. If you've got any locations that you would be interested in seeing us explore, or if Junior can't get there, just even me exploring, feel free to drop suggestions and leave comments down below. I'm always open to travelling to find these new locations and explore as well.
Don't be going camping without me.
Yeah, so Junior will obviously have to come along as well.
That would be well out of order. I love this.
I'm joking. So yeah, new locations. If anyone's got any suggestions, leave them in the comments box below, and yeah, get chatting to me. Give me some finer details on these places, and I will definitely check them out for you. But I have got some in the bag as well, lined up. They're just going to come in due time. And yeah.
Sleeping bags, I've come to know the memories were the best things you ever had. The summer shone, beat down and bony bags so far.
Junior, quick fire round. I'm going to ask you a series of questions.
Okay.
You've got to give me answers that come to your mind.
Right.
What country would you like to live in?
Jamaica came to my head.
Why?
Just because it looks so peaceful. Like, it's proper naturistic, isn't it?
You've got one movie to watch for the rest of your life over and over. What is it? This is a quick fire round, so like just be as quick.
I can't even think of a movie that I could watch over and over again.
Favourite line from a movie, go.
He just got knocked the fuck out!
You got knocked the fuck out, man!
Yeah, that's a classic, you'll never beat that. Alright, rather burn to death or freeze to death?
Burn.
Burn to death? Right, you're going to have to elaborate on that. Why would you rather burn to death than freeze to death?
I don't know.
No, you can't change your mind. You're burning to death right now. That's your choice. You made that. Be a man about it. Take responsibility for your own decisions.
I'd burn. I don't know, I just feel like I'd pass out quicker.
I don't reckon you would. I reckon your skin would drip from your fucking bones first.
Yeah, but
and you'd
slowly
feel
freezing, I feel like...
No, but you won't slowly freeze because you'd fall asleep, hypothermia would set in, you'd fall asleep and you just won't wake up. But you burn, mate, you burn, I'll freeze.
I think I'd be dead quicker than I would freezing.
You can tame any wild pet.
It'd have to be a lion, wouldn't it?
A lion?
Yeah.
Out of all the animals you could choose, you're choosing lion, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, you've got one magic power.
Power of persuasion.
To make people do
what I want.
You've now got the power of persuasion. What's the first thing you get the first person you come across to do? You think it's sexual, aren't you?
Yeah.
You think it's sexual. He's got this power, right? And the first thing he thinks of to you is to get somebody.
I found it amusing. Yeah, power of persuasion.
Power of persuasion.
What would I do?
Ding.
Just
Ding.
have people be people instead of these.
So you've got, hang on, you've got this power, right, of persuasion, and you want people to do exactly what they're doing already. Just be yourself, guys. Just don't do anything. Just don't act like I'm not even here.
Yeah, just to see everybody as equals, I guess.
What's the point of having the fucking power?
So no, like...
No violence, no.
Discriminative.
It's starting to snow again, isn't it? Or trying to. This is when you just don't want to see the glow of two eyes in the distance. That's one way of doing it. So yeah guys, thank you for joining us around the fire, watching us do a bit of bushcraft, listen to our, having like a little inside ear on our conversations as we get out and about like this. It's been real nice to have you here with us. It's not over quite yet, we're going to go to McDonald's like I said, have a coffee, chill out, have a little chat there as well, so.
Natalie?
Oh.
Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. I'm being serious. Natalie?
Signal will be bad, mate.
Hello? I'm on my way back. Stopping at McDonald, are we?
Ah, the old Mackie D's. Do you want to get in?
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order, please?
Can I get a £quarter-pounder meal, please?
Pardon?
Can I get a £quarter-pounder meal, please?
£quarter-pounder meal.
Please.
Yeah, what drink?
Can I get a chocolate shake?
Yeah, anything else?
No, that's fine, thank you.
Make your way around to the payment window.
Cheers, bye. She seemed fucking happy, didn't she? Barrel of laughs.
Really snappy.
Life of the party. Jesus, watch, we'll get out the window. I love you, alright. Alright, if you was the camera, yeah, what would you assume we want to focus on right now? Would you pick the, the little light in the background that's not doing fuck all, or the two big faces there, like either side? I'm so out of focus. I look like I've watched about 24 hours straight of The Ring. You know, when it first goes all blurry.
Oh, it's a light shining. I thought, what the hell is that on my face? It looks like I've got a permanent chip in my mouth.
This camera's the worst for focusing. Unless
Look, it looks like I've got a permanent chip in my mouth.
Why is it the light?
Yeah.
So guys, gonna wrap this up really quick. Like I said, me and June have just stopped off in McDonald's for something really quick to eat before we set off home. 1 second, because this fucking camera's doing my head in. But yeah, thank you for sticking with us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching it to the end. As I said previously, if you have got any suggestions of where you want us to go out explore, you want to see some more bushcraft videos or whatever, or even just general chit chat, feel free to jump down below in the comments box and start chatting to us through that way. You can also find us on Facebook as well, on 401 Files, the group on Facebook. It's always nice to read your comments, and it's always nice to reply to as many of you as we can. But yeah, this is unfortunately it for today. We will be out ASAP.
Yeah.
To make another video.
Next week, I reckon.
I'll be very happy if you never lick your fingers like that ever again in my presence.
Yeah, it's been great. Nice day out. Been good in the snow.
Yeah.
Building firewall and yeah, just can't wait to get out next time.
Have you eaten
and
your
get building more
large fries already?
Yeah.
Did you taste that?
Yeah, pretty much. It was salty.
See you later on, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Speak to you all next time.
Peace.
Bye.
Toodaloo.